Who doesn't love a good holiday, right? But let's face it, with everything costing a fortune these days, the thought of going away, even for just a week, can feel like a distant dream. But after all we've been through recently, we've earned some well-deserved relaxation. That's why I've put together this video revealing my top 5 holiday hacks for an incredible getaway without breaking the bank. Let's start with flights. Most people have heard of flight comparison sites like Skyscanner. You may have even discovered that if you look at those prices over the month, you can see the cheapest flights. But did you know that if you keep searching for the same flights, they'll go up in price? Now, this is a little trick that companies use to make you knee-jerk into booking the flight because they know that you're interested. So here's how you stop it. Google Chrome gives you an option to access private browsing. When you're searching, use this so that the price doesn't hike up. When you're booking flights, the earlier you book them, the cheaper they'll be. With package holidays, the best deals are usually out at Easter weekend because they want all the summer holidays for that year to be booked up. Always look for discount codes before you book, and if you have kids, work backwards from that all-important free kids place. Depending on the size of your family, it can take a quarter of the price off of your holiday. If you're flying with Ryanair, have you heard about the luggage hack? When you book flights and you go through the booking process, they trick everyone by giving the option to book your luggage on at the start for a higher price. So when you're booking, pick your flight and choose value fare. It'll then give you an option later to book on luggage for a cheaper price. Sneaky, hey? Let's talk hotels. So again, you probably know the basics about using price comparison sites and looking around to get a cheaper deal. But there's another step. Once you've found the lowest price, jot down the details and contact the hotel to see if they can give you a better price. They may be able to bring down the price even further for you, ensuring that you've got the best bargain. Also, if you've booked and you have free cancellation and you're kicking yourself because the price has gone down, just cancel it and rebook. That's the beauty of it. If you love a trip to Centre Parcs but it breaks the bank, look at the same sort of holiday in a different country. So for example, if you live up north, there's a ferry from Hull to the Netherlands, and there's a holiday park called Doenrel that has lodges and a theme park attached to it. Now, our school holidays are different from the Netherlands, so find the cheapest time to go. And if you live down south, get the ferry to France and look into one of the Eurocamp holidays. There are some great holidays on allcamps.co.uk website. If you're on Instagram, there's a page called Little Clogs, and Seat Kickers is a great website if you're taking young kids on holiday too. And now you know how to get the best deals on your holiday, then you'll want to check out my next video where I show you how to save 10 grand fast. And don't worry, I've made sure to pack it with loads of tips that I know nobody else is talking about. So click here and I'll see you there.